Asamyuta Hastas, totally 28 types. Book name Abhinaya Darpanam, written by Nandikeshwara. Language Sanskrit. Patakas Tripatako Ardhapataka Kartari Mukha Mayura Kyotidda Chandra Shaparala Shukatundakaha Mushtischa Shikarascha Kapittaha Katakamukaha Suchi Chandrakala Padmakosho Sarpashirastataha Mrugashirsha Simhamuko Kangula Solapadmakaha Chatura Bhramarashchaiva Hamsasyo Hamsapakshakaha Samdamsha Mukhula Tamrachuda Trishulakaha Ashtavimshanti Hastanamevam Namani Vaikramat